This is a grand favorite classic little Sindhi nursery rhyme. It's just a small thing, but then it's one of those few things which even people like me who were not really given much of our Sindhi heritage in terms of poems or stories. I hardly remember two or three in my childhood. Even such people are likely to know this one. So here it is, and also I'm singing it as I remember because now I see there are some alterations one sees sometimes. I'll sing it three times because three gives it a sort of rhythm, and someone can even join in. And also, it's very short. So, after singing it three times in Sindhi, at the end I'll explain the meaning because it's so short and one can understand it soon. पैसो लधुम पट्ट मां पैसे वरतुम गाह गाह ॾिनुम गांइ खे गांइ ॾिनो खीर खीर ॾिनुम अम्मा खे अम्मा ॾिनो लोलो लोलो ॾिनुम कांव खे कांव ॾिनो खंभ खंभ ॾिनुम राजा खे राजा ॾिनो घोड़ो चढ़ी घुम चंदन फटाको जीए तुंहिंजो काको काको वेठो माड़ीअ ते विछू लॻुसि ॾाड़ीअ ते पैसो लधुम पट मां पैसे वरतुम गाह गाह ॾिनुम गांइ खे गांइ ॾिनो खीर खीर ॾिनुम अम्मा खे अम्मा ॾिनो लोलो लोलो ॾिनुम कांव खे कांव ॾिनो खंभ खंभ ॾिनुम राजा खे राजा ॾिनो घोड़ो चढ़ी घुम चंदन फटाको जीए तुंहिंजो काको काको वेठो माड़ीअ ते विछू लॻुसि ॾाड़ीअ ते पैसो लधुम पट मां पैसे वरतुम गाह गाह ॾिनुम गांइ खे गांइ ॾिनो खीर खीर ॾिनुम अम्मा खे अम्मा ॾिनो लोलो लोलो ॾिनुम कांव खे कांव ॾिनो खंभ खंभ ॾिनुम राजा खे राजा ॾिनो घोड़ो चढ़ी घुम चंदन फटाको जीए तुंहिंजो काको काको वेठो माड़ीअ ते विछू लॻुसि ॾाड़ीअ ते The meaning is, I found a paisa on the floor or on the ground. With the paisa, I bought grass. The grass I gave to the cow. The cow gave me milk. The milk I gave to my mother. My mother gave me a lolo. A lolo is a kind of roti, a thick roti, and it's very tasty. And the thinner one, very similar, is had more often, and that's called loli, and which is also called koki. But in my childhood, we always heard loli, and then later I heard that other families call it koki. The lolo I gave to a crow. The crow gave me a feather. The feather I gave to the king. The king gave me a horse. Sit on the horse and ride around, sit on the horse and ride around. Then there's this Chandan Patako, which I don't know what exactly it means. I mean, Chandan is sandalwood and Patako is a firecracker, but I think it just rhymes. Then is Jie Tunjo Kako, which means long live this older person, which could be a grandfather or uncle, but Kako is an older person, old man. So long live the old man. The old man was sitting on the Marhi. The Marhi is staircase landing or loft or the upper portion. And he got a scorpion in his beard. Now, this is obviously it's a children's nursery rhyme. There it is, scorpion in the beard. Nursery rhymes, have all sorts of things all over the world, strange elements in it. And of course, it rhymes. And there are some changes. I think they are recent because I've only heard them in recent years. One is an addition, which is Kaki vethi koti te gull vidho choti te, which means the old lady, which could be a grandmother or someone, sat on the building and I put a flower in her plait. So this is one. And then sometimes instead of the cow, they add a water buffalo, and only a few times I've heard that. And then instead of the lolo, recently I heard the mani. A mani is simply a chapati. So these are just a few times one has heard, but the type I said is I've heard many times. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little vignette into Sindhi culture.